IETC, Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center. Saigon High-Tech Park is one of 3 national high-tech parks established by the Prime Minister and assigned to the Ho Chi Minh City Authority. Its tasks are to directly manage and contribute to the development of such pivotal and cornerstone industries for the country as electronics and semiconductor chip (IC). It is seen based on the industrialization-related experiences of other countries as no country can successfully industrialize without a robust development of its electronics industry. Similarly, no country can grow its semiconductor industry without a strong electronics industry. To catch up with countries advanced in these industries, Vietnam needs to implement a top-down breakthrough approach. That is, heading straight to the design stage, which holds high added value, including product design and chip design. With an aspiration and a spirit of serving the country, Vietnamese senior experts in electronics from Silicon Valley in the USA, in collaboration with local entrepreneurs and experts, have established the International Electronics Training Center (IETC). This is Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center.
Bộ Khoa học Công nghệ cũng đề nghị Ban Quản lý Công nghệ cao Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh tiếp tục triển khai có hiệu quả việc hợp tác với các doanh nghiệp, các tổ chức của công nghệ để thúc đẩy hệ sinh thái công nghiệp điện tử vi phạm công nghệ phát triển mạnh mẽ hơn nữa thời gian tới. Một lần nữa xin chúc mừng sự ra đời kịp thời và phải nói là tất yếu của trung tâm đào tạo điện tử quốc tế tại khu công nghệ cao Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh.
Mô hình đào tạo như trung tâm của chúng ta ở đây, cách tiếp cận trong đào tạo như trung tâm chúng ta ở đây là rất quan trọng, và tôi nghĩ rằng nên có một cái sự kết nối giữa trung tâm chúng ta với các cơ sở đào tạo tại Thành phố Hồ Chí Minh để chúng ta chia sẻ kinh nghiệm và chúng ta tiếp cận dần làm sao cái chất lượng hiệu quả đào tạo của chúng ta được tốt nhất.
Hôm nay chúng ta đang có trung tâm đào tạo quốc tế về điện tử để có thể đào tạo ra những kỹ sư có thể phát triển những cái sản phẩm điện tử có thể ra mọi cầu.
Mục đích cuối cùng mình phải làm chủ được công nghệ. Để muốn làm chủ được công nghệ thì có 3 cái yếu tố chính. Yếu tố thứ nhất là con người, cái yếu tố thứ nhì là nền tảng, cái thứ ba là chất lượng và thị trường.
The International Electronics Training Center, abbreviated as IETC, is co-founded by the SHTP Training Center, a public non-business unit of the SHTP, and the Sun Electronics Corporation, a startup in electronics file brought into life by the team of Vietnamese experts from Silicon Valley and domestic entrepreneurs. They collaborated for the deployment at the SHTP Training Center with the goal of standardizing professional levels and skills for Vietnamese human resources. This will enable them to compete globally and contribute to the development of the entire cities and country's electronic and semiconductor chip industries. This is the first model in Vietnam to pilot a breakthrough method in attracting Vietnamese experts from developed nations, especially those from Silicon Valley, USA. The goal is for them to return to their homeland to work and contribute by combining this force with local entrepreneurs and experts. This will be within the framework of specific projects associated with the enforcement of development goals for industries that will greatly impact the country's development in the forthcoming stage. During the initial stage, the International Electronics Training Center (IETC) plans to provide elementary, intermediate, and advanced classes for learners possessing high school qualifications, graduates from technical universities and colleges, as well as employees currently employed at electronics companies. The program includes the following 3 courses. This training course on IPC electronic standards targets workers, technicians, and engineers and includes design standards for electronic circuits, their production and assembly, standards for the production, assembly, and testing of finished electronic products. 2. The printed circuit board, PCB design and electronics product development course. This training course is designed for individuals with a Bachelor of Science degree, majoring in electronics, intending to enhance their skills in PCB design and supplement at a high-tech workforce for companies specializing in electronic product design. The course aims to equip learners with the ability to develop a complete and finished electronic product from the initial concept step to the final stage of product completion and market launch. The curriculum includes hardware design, firmware design, and mechanical design. 3. The Electronics Manufacturing Services (EMS) course. This training course is designed for workers, technicians, and engineers in the electronics manufacturing industry with the objective of providing human resources for electronics manufacturing companies of services (EMS). The program also offers advanced training for engineers and administrators on the manufacturing process of an electronics factory (EMS). It encompasses everything from organizational structure and operational functions to design, manufacturing, and marketing techniques for product sales. Considered a critical course for the future directors of Vietnam's electronics companies, it covers business development and supply chain processes, production operation, system management, and quality control techniques. These training courses are designed and taught directly by Vietnamese experts in Silicon Valley, USA, during the initial stage and gradually transition to local experts at later stages. IETC is well equipped and fully facilitated with standard devices and technologies necessary to conduct IPC standard-oriented training programs. The International Electronics Training Center IETC, as Vietnam's first IPC standard-based training model, has significantly contributed to the development of human resources in Vietnam's electronics and IC industries. Its aim is to meet international standards and build enough prowess to compete with other countries. Following the establishment of the Saigon High-Tech Park Chip Design Center, SHTP Chip Design Center, abbreviated as SCDC in 2020, which collaborated with globally leading chip design companies like Synopsys and Cadence. The inauguration of IETC in 2023 was seen as an extraordinarily critical and necessary step. This step aims to promote investments in strategic industries such as electronics and semiconductor chip industries. For the forthcoming years, this endeavor contributes towards the realization of the goal to develop Vietnam into a semiconductor chip design center in the region and the world. IETC, Vietnam's first international standard electronics training center.